Hi, this is Mike from Cyber Guys, and I want to answer the question, what is the difference between open source and open system? Let's define the difference in 3 minutes. First of all, in computer technology, we use the term open a lot, and what it basically means is this: open is available. If it's an open system, it's a system that is available to others. If it's open source, that means the source code is available to others. And that's the big difference. Open source means a community of software developers have come together to share the technology, the programming language, the various ingredients to make a system, and thus, through the community of shared users, you build and refine and benefit the community with the shared open source. Now, open source software could be thought of as being less secure because so many people can see how it actually ticks. But in the cybersecurity business, we have this concept of security through obscurity being invalid. In other words, if your security is simply that no one else knows it, if that's your whole claim to security, then that's really bad security. So with open source, we don't even bother with the hiding of how it works. We in fact use the converse. We use the hope that others seeing how it works will increase the brain trust of those who will make it better. The more you know about how it works, the more you can actually improve it. And with an entire community all working together to improve software, in some cases you get software that's much more powerful than what you could ever develop internally with one developer or one development company. But open system is a totally different concept. Ever since we moved from centralized computing, mainframe computers where everything was closed and you had to actually be directly connected to the system, to systems that were distributed with different computers working together, we had to find ways to build systems so that they could talk. So an open system is simply a system that has the ability to communicate with other systems. It has an application programming interface, an API. If your system has an API, and particularly if it uses, I'll use open again, open standards, standards that are available to all, well then you have an open system. So does that mean that open systems are less secure? Well, the answer to that one's a little bit more iffy. The most I could say is maybe. Because if your system is designed to talk to other systems, then you're relying on the trust that the other systems that you're talking to have no malicious intent. And the truth is, open systems is how hackers can get into systems. The betrayal of the trust that is implied in the opening up an application programming interface to other applications, does create an attack surface. So open systems are systems that talk to other systems, but open source is a community of developers that share source code. Well, this has been another 3-minute Tech Talk. Have a great day.